everybody, let's take a look at how to use Sched to connect to the TFLA AFC 22 schedule. So notice here, this is my email from Sched. That's exactly how it's going to appear. And then it says, welcome, blah, blah, blah. And then click to create your profile and schedule. All right, so you will log in with whatever your TFLA credentials are here, or you can go to log in there. I'm already logged in, see? Okay, so from here, you can change the view of your schedule. You can make it simple, expanded, grid, or by venue, which would show the different rooms. But we're just gonna look at it like this. And all you have to do to set your schedule is simply check into these check marks, okay? So if it's not already been selected, then it's gonna be blank and you will just check that there. And anything that you check on here is going to populate in your My Schedule, which I will show you how to get to that in a second. Also keep in mind, this is the web portal version. I can make an app video as well. Okay, and so all of the major information for the conference is here. You can also click on these tabs above to see different things like who our speakers are. These are all of our presenters. You can click on them to learn more about them if that is something that you are wanting to do. You can also click here on sponsors and exhibitors to learn more about that. And then here is a place where you can look at attendees. If you'll notice, I have my social media accounts attached to Sched, and so it's showing people that I'm friends with on Facebook or Twitter. They're populating here so that I know who my friends are that are also attending TFLA, and we could coordinate schedules together if that was something we wanted to do. And then also I can navigate down here and just look at all the different profiles of the attendees. So I'm going to click on my profile real quick to give you an example of all the different things you can do. So first off, when you go to edit profile, which is right here, you can set all of these options. You can fill in your basic profile info here. Any links you want to include, you can do that. You can put your about me here. And then if you want to put your contact info for your social media accounts, you can do that as well. And then earlier when I showed you how my friends were showing up, that's because I've connected my Facebook and my Twitter. It's super easy to do. You will see when they're disconnected, it'll just say connect them. You click on it, you log in, that's it. And then it connects. Super simple. Okay, and then here is where you can upload your profile photo. You can remove it and put a new one, whatever you need to do. I'm gonna go ahead and save this. Okay, and then like I showed you before, if you want to be able to view your own, you can just go find yourself under the attendees, and then you will be able to see the view that everybody else sees. This is what it looks like when it's all done. Okay, and then most importantly, once your profile is built, or even if it's not, you'll be able to see your My Schedule right here. Okay, and you just scroll down and these are all of the things that I have checked. So if you haven't filled that time slot, it's gonna appear as empty, and then you'll know you need to go back to the main page and fill that time slot so that you make sure that you are attending all the amazing sessions that we have for you at AFC. Okay, thank you so much. That was your Sched tutorial.